Dalawa palaging sinasabi niya. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Visit. At yung there always time for everything. Na yung buhay talaga, may panahon. Minsan nasa taas ka, minsan nasa baba. Kaya dapat maging humble ka lang talaga palagi. Marami kang tinuro sa amin. Akala mo wala lang, pero tumatak talaga. Na alam mo yung, palagi ko sinasabi, ikaw magiging, isa sa magiging highlight ng buhay ko. Thank you sa trust, sa pagbigay ng chance para mag-serve, hindi lang sa inyo, pero sa Pilipinas.
Well, PRD was always a father figure, not only to me, but to all of us. My special story about this is that when I had a miscarriage, he was very considerate and he was very concerned, and he let me to take time to rest and recover from the incident. He also tried to comfort me with his words and positive perspective. So I really appreciate that.
I'm really, really proud to have the honor to work with you as your aide. And in TV, you see him wearing barong, but after all the fiasco is over, he goes back and he changes into comfortable clothes, baggy shirts, jogging pants, chinelas, and he will enjoy a simple dish with us. He is the kind of person na pag nakikita mo kumakain, sobrang ganado. Kahit na yung ulam bulad, parang pati ikaw gaganahan kasi papaisip ka, parang ang sarap ng bulad, kakain na lang din ako. So seeing him like that, na simple pleasures in life, he enjoys very much. Wait, naiyak ako. Visit! I will always remember all the lessons you've taught me throughout my career and for the rest of my life.
Sa mga matagal nating pinagsamahan, sir, more than 5 years tayong magkasama. Nakita ko yung saya mo, yung hirap mo, yung mga tagumpay mo siya. Sana ma-enjoy mo pa yung life mo, na wala nang stress, wala nang lahat na nang gusto mong gawin, magagawin.
Ako magpasalamat kay nagatag ka sa amo. Hope, wala nga kabalo sir, pero idol dyan si ka sir. O sila idol kayo si ka sir, hindi kayo tungod sa imong leadership o sa imong nagbuhat sa amuha, kundi tungod sa imong pagkamaayong tao. Naarami pero ni sir, mag-support sa imo ha sir.
Nadagdagan ko yung sweldo ninyo. Starting next month, incremental increase na ang sweldo ninyo. Pangako ko, dublado. Walang nagmahal noon sa police na abot sa standard ko. Ang police noon, ng mayor, protektado ko. Mahal ko ang police at walang police na kukulong doon. Basta ang kasalanan niya may kaugnayan sa trabaho niya. I do not allow policemen to go to jail. Now that I am president, I would like to guarantee all of you that if it is in the performance of your duty, sa pagkasundalo mo, wala kayong isipin. I will also protect you.
By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice.
I think this is something to do with the law and order noon. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga, for all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-front sa ating law enforcement pati military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sa lahat. This will be a long legal proceedings. I say to you, I will continue to serve the country at so be it. Kung ganun ang destiny ko.
Matay man ako bukas o ngayong gabi, tandaan ninyo kayo mga Pilipino. Minahal ko kayo at pinagsisilbihan ko kayo ng gusto mo o ng panahon.
Sa aming mga Pilipino, nag-iisang Rodrigo, aming Pangulo, nag-iisang Rodrigo, aming Pangulo, nag-iisang Rodrigo, aming Pangulo. Salamat po sa serbisyo, aming mahal na Pangulo. Pagmamahal, inalay mo sa aming mga Pilipino.